There was a time where people said that Singapore won't make it, but we did.
You and me will do our part, stand together, heart to heart.
Strangers when we first began, now we're Singaporean.
Let's reach out for Singapore, join our hands forevermore.
There are 5 stars rising out of the stormy sea.
It's just a lamp to guide our way, a lamp for all to see.
Singapore, our home and nation,
Together with determination, joining like we've never done before.
because in Singapore, their hearts are big and wide you find. Because in Singapore, you'll find happiness for everyone. Muneru muneri endrum toruva no kuvar. Kanderiare kairuri oniram binnine.
也许我自己不能发出方寸光和亮，但我能为斗志带来足够的光芒。
Gelang, sivaku gelang, gelang, si Rama Rama.
Pulang, marilah pulang, marilah pulang bersama-sama. If we just look to each other, then this house will feel like home.
And the more we're together, the further we'll go.
You and I were not alone.
So now we look around us and we see a nation built up by you and me.
A mental treasure right down to the core. Our home, our heart, our Singapore. We are far through the night with a light into the morning after.
Through the wire, in this fight, from the flames we will soar forever.
See this island, every grain of sand. Hear this anthem. It's the voices of a friends.
With the hopes and dreams, imagine what tomorrow it will bring. What
We
do you
did it
see?
before, and we'll do it
Let's
again.
reach out for the skies with wings. We soar up high. Our dreams we'll all achieve. We'll make our destiny.
Dream away,
Take the world by the hand, 'cause tomorrow's here today.
go, shining light upon the world. Shining light, make it bright, everybody sing.
Whenever I am feeling low, I look around me and I know there's a place that will stay within me, wherever I may choose to go.
Where I belong, where I keep my heart and soul. The dreams come true for us. Where we walk together hand in hand towards a future so bright.
This is home, surely, as my senses tell me. This is where I won't be alone. For this is where I know it's all. Together we make a difference.
One voice, one destiny.
We remain undivided, our hearts in harmony. All of my heart. That's what home is to me.